How to reset your US bank password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you forgot your US bank password, no worries. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset it step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for US Bank. And now here on the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the US Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just click on the login button which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And once you click on it, you'll be prompted to the login page. Now here, right below the login field, you can just click on the option labeled as forget username and password. And after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you need to enter your login ID. So here you can simply enter your ID and after that you can just click on continue. And once you do that, it will help US Bank to locate your account and after that you can choose how you want to receive your verification code, whether it's by text, email or phone call. So there, enter the code after you receive to verify your identity and once verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. So make sure it's strong with the use of mix of letters, numbers and symbols and avoid using names and birth dates or the thing which is easy to guess. And with that, you can log in with a new password. And that's it. That's how you can reset your US Bank password. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.